Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera, so let's change it to the front one by using this button from the right, because the mirror effect is only available when we take selfies, so let's keep it like that. Now we have to go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and from here let's move to left side to tap to settings so we can open them. Now at the second place we have mirror front camera option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.